Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to break down a trade that I took on the Nasdaq during the London session. This lesson is part of my YouTube playlist that I have recently created where I shared my personal strategy for trading these markets. I have also provided many live examples to help reinforce your understanding of the strategy and how to adapt it to live conditions. So if you are interested in that, then stick around until the end of this video. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. And let's get started. First thing first, transparency. So I shared the trade on my Twitter account, as you can see here. Right, and here's the execution. So entered from here, exited from here, left some money on the table, but that's alright. This is the game. Alright, so we have the daily chart here on US 100 or the Nasdaq. Remember guys, we always frame our trade based on 3 time frames. We use 3 time frames alignment to take a trade. We use first of all the daily or the weekly for buys, right? Then we use the hourly time frame, which is the intermediate time frame for confirmation of that buys, alright? And then we use the execution time frame to take our entries. So always frame your trades based on 3 time frames. And let's start finding the buys here on the daily. So what do we have? We can see that price took this external range liquidity, and then after taking external liquidity, we want to target next internal range liquidity, which is this fair value gap right here. So this is our buys on the daily. We want to take shorts. We have also showed this volume imbalance right here. So this is another confirmation to go lower. So a fair value gap or an imbalance plus taking liquidity is a strong resistance. Vice versa for a bullish example, a strong support. So this is the daily time frame and our buys is bearish. Now let's move on to the intermediate time frame and confirm our buys. So as you can see here, price took liquidity from here and then we displaced lower, all right, returning to premium of this range right here, this dealing range from here to here. We return to premium, and what do we have here? Another break of structure, return to this fair value gap. But when we return to this fair value gap, we were on a Monday, so yesterday, and yesterday was bank holidays in the USA. So I was interested in taking a trade on Monday, so I have waited till today, Tuesday. So what do we have? You can see that we have a break of structure right here. So you can see we have a nice reaction of this hourly fair value gap, and we have a break of structure and fair value gap, right? So now the intermediate time frame, which is the hourly, is confirming our buys of going lower to target this internal range liquidity, right? Now after confirming our buys on the intermediate time frame, which is the hourly, and now we can go to the 15-minute or the 5-minute chart to take our entries. And now let's zoom in on this piece of price action right here. So here, what do we have? This is an hourly fair value gap, remember. So after tapping into this hourly fair value gap, right, what do we have? A nice break of structure. And let's add the element of time to this price action. So as you can see here, this line right here represent what? The midnight open. Remember the concept of open, high, low, and close. So after midnight, if you want to go bearish, then you want to see price trade above the midnight open, right? So we can see that we have that here. This move right here, this is called the Judas swing, right? This Judas swing right here will do only 2 things. It will either take liquidity, right? So it will sweep an all-time in our bearish example, or it will reprice to a period. In our example, we can see that it did both, right? So this move right here, this manipulation leg, this Judas swing, return to that hourly fair value gap, and we have also taken this swing right here, this liquidity. So we have the element of time in our favor, and now we can easily take our entry on this fair value gap right here. How to take your entry? I prefer this method. So I take a fib from this swing right here all the way to here. All right. And then I take my entry on premium levels, so above the 50%. I prefer to take it at the 50% level. So just like this. My stop loss is always here. And then you can target whatever you want. In our case, I have targeted this, right? And here you go. That's it. I believe anyone can learn this. All you have to do is collect examples, backtest the strategy, and then demo trade before you go live. So I believe we have come to the end of this video. If you have any questions, please DM me on my Twitter account or leave a comment down below and I'll answer you as soon as I can. Happy trading and good luck.